After the milk quotas went, we would have extended like most dairy farmers, and we've got up to about 280 cows. We put in a 28-unit Swift Flow Dairymaster with the baling system and the auto draft system. There's very little movement. They're very happy to stand there, but one of the key things is that when you swing over the arm, the meal will drop down to them at that time, which makes them very relaxed, and particularly the heifers. We're finding with the beef yield that I think we're getting more efficiency on our meal, getting better fertility from the cows. We're getting cows back in calf quicker. We have less thin cows, and we're also finding that the overall amount of milk in the tank at the end is better, is more. On the milk tank, if, for example, the truck driver doesn't set it to wash, it'll alert you by a text on your phone, so you'll know if it's not set to cool, if there's a power cut or whatever, it'll tell you that the milk's not cooled. That gives you peace of mind that you know that the milk's going to be safe there. You can just come down and see what the problem is, and usually it's a human error that they haven't turned on the cooler or haven't turned on the washer. We also at the back end have a backing gate to just keep them up so they can flow into the parlour easy. The drafting crate, it's 100%, you know, you can rely on it. You'll get absolutely every cow, and it's set up that the milker shouldn't and wouldn't leave the pit. You can put in the numbers the night before and they'll all draft out if you want to scan or dry off cows or whatever. If you just have one in the milking parlour, you want to pick her out, you can do that down the pit very easy. The one thing that stands out is the speed that we're able to get through milking and how less tired we are after milking. Even though we're milking more cows, because we get through quicker, it's a lot easier on the man. The problem we have on the farm now is actually getting people to do other work. Everyone wants to be down here. We're very happy with the time that we're saving on milking. We're happy with cow comfort, the ease of the operation of milking. The only thing I'm disappointed about is we didn't do it sooner.